Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to do exercise D on page number 52. It's your workbook. Today we are going to learn about double negatives. You know that the words no or not are called negatives. Any word with no or in front of it or connected to it also called a negative. Here are some words which you are familiar with. For example, no, not, nothing, nobody, nowhere, none, never, no one. Keep one thing in mind that in English we do not use two negatives together. We use only one negative. For example, he did not tell no one. Here there are two negative words. For example, not and no one, and it's wrong. The correct use is he did not tell anyone. Another example is he revealed nothing to nobody. Again there are two negative words. The correct use is he did not reveal anything to anybody. The next example is he is not going nowhere. Again it is wrong as there are two negatives. He is not going anywhere. Let's solve the exercise. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with the correct words from the box. A. They couldn't find the missing child dash. Here we already have a negative word, so we will not use another negative word again, so we will use anywhere. They couldn't find the missing child anywhere. The missing child was nowhere to be found. B. They did not teach the student anything. They taught the students nothing. C. Haven't they dash apples left? Here we already have a negative word, so we will not use another negative word, so we will use any. They haven't any apples left. Have they no apples left? D. Aren't they dash going to stop worrying me? Here we have to use one of them. As we are already having a negative word, so we will use ever. Are they never going to stop worrying me? The last one, isn't dash able to drive this lorry? Here we have to use one of them. Already we are having a negative word, so we will use anyone. Isn't anyone able to drive this lorry? Is no one able to drive this lorry? Now let's know the other words which are used in other languages related to no. No. No is used in English. None. It is a Roman word for no. Niet. It's Russian word for no. Nahi. It's Arabic word for no. Na and na. It's Scottish words for not, and nine. It's German word for no. Today we are going to start the next poem. Everyone sang. Words to know. Drifted, carried slowly. Orchard, a piece of land planted with fruit trees. And the next word is prisoned, put or kept in prison. Now let's read the poem. Everyone suddenly burst out singing, and I was filled with such delight. Delight means joy. As prisoned birds must find in freedom, winking wildly across the wide orchards and dark green fields, on and out of sight. Poet says that everyone is happy, every soldier is happy as the war is going to an end. They are feeling like the birds who have got freedom from the imprisonment. They are totally feeling free like the birds. The next stanza is, everyone's voice was suddenly lifted, and beauty came like the setting sun. My heart was shaken with tears, and horror drifted away. Oh, but everyone was a bird, and the song was wordless. The singing will never be done. Poet says that every soldier was so excited and filled with enthusiasm that they were singing loudly. And when he heard the line, the beauty came like the setting sun, his heart was shaken with tears and the horror drifted away. It means the horror also came to an end like the war. Let's have an idea about the poem Everyone Sang. This poem has been written by a famous poet, Siegfried Sassoon. He has been a leading poet of the First World War. The present poem refers to the end of the First World War, and the poet views this end as beauty, happiness and joy everywhere. The poet compares his joy with the free prison bird because the war is like a prison. When it ends, it gives a freedom and delight. So everyone is celebrating the end of First World War. Even every soldier is happy. They are singing, but the songs are wordless. We can say that through this poem, the poet expresses his joy for the war that it is ending. Read this poem, comprehend it. We will do the question answers tomorrow. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.